into a transport. Send help.
More than 380,000 motorcyclists die around the world every year. Most of these deaths happen in a curve in the road. In this video, I'll tell you why and hopefully explain how to help keep you safe. This is Scott Fraser, and this is me, Gary Parsons. Normally we're out filming premium 4K motorcycle travel videos, but today we break to educate. We are the Northern Road Kings. Hey YouTube, it's Gary with the Northern Road Kings, and I'm in Port Bruce today, and I'm going to do an instructional video on counter steering, and this is a perfect place for it. There's a stretch of road just outside of here that has some big turns in it, and it's perfect for this video. And Scott's not here, he's not feeling well, but we're going to make the best of it, so stay tuned. Turning corners for those of us who ride is what gets our heart pumping. The feel of a bike cornering on an angle is my favorite part of riding. But to the novice rider, it can not only be stressful, it can be deadly. To understand the mechanics of proper turning, we must first look at this, the bicycle. Bicycle steering is the process of turning a motorcycle at low speeds from 0 to 12 miles per hour or 20 kilometers per hour. In the bicycle steering, your motorcycle will behave like a bicycle, as per the name. To understand this, look at the bike as having two separate parts, the front wheel and the frame, pivoting at the steering. To turn right, push the left handlebar and or pull the right, and the motorcycle will ride in the direction the front wheel is pointing. To turn left, push the right handlebar and or pull the left, and the bike will go left in the direction of the front tire. Now let's try this. Here I'm going under 12 miles per hour. To go right, push left and pull right. To go left, push right and pull left. And that's it, that's bicycle steering. Right now I bet you're saying, thanks Parsons, you idiot, but I know how to ride a bicycle. But here's where it gets crazy. Counter steering happens when a motorcycle is traveling faster than 12 miles per hour or 20 kilometers per hour. Now think of the motorcycle as one single unit, a single frame with no pivot point. Instead of steering into a turn, you're pushing through it. Now here's where some new motorcyclists get into trouble. They get in a tight turn and their first instinct is bicycle steering. But at high speeds, it has the opposite effect. This time, using counter steering, to go right, I'm going to push right. You could also pull left or both. To straighten up, stop pushing. To turn sharper, push harder. Now, to go left, push left, or pull right or both. Again, to stop turning, stop pushing. To turn sharper, push harder. Now let's do this again without freezing for graphics. To go right, push right. To go left, push left. And to stop turning, stop pushing. To turn sharper, push harder. And that's counter steering. Understanding how your motorcycle moves can help save your life. So that's counter steering, and I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something, but please take a course. Don't just watch this video and go try it for the first time. It's always better when you do the course and learn the proper way to do it from an instructor that's certified. So hope you had fun, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, YouTube.